You called,
But I tried to do that like a cannon dot body,
yeah, that,
and it would still go through. I'm not sure why. I
okay,
think I put it
the,
in comments somewhere.
okay, just before you do that, your little cross was at the bottom right on your body. That's weird. That may be something that's not working.
I
So
have to put it to 0.
you have to put the content of that symbol at 0, 0. So
Okay.
all that, move that to 0, 0.
It's at 0, 0.
Why the cross?
I don't know why it does that. I
Okay, there are no other elements in that. Okay, can you just delete the circle for a second? Just delete it. Okay, you
there's
can.
another circle here.
Yeah, this is the line, the contour, the border of the circle. Okay, can you select the border?
I don't think so.
Where is there? That's 0, 43. Okay, that's okay. Uh, okay, you can undo what we just did. Okay, return in Canon, or maybe can you just send it to me? I think it will be easier for me to look at that problem while you are updating your variables.
See guys. CS5. Uh, okay. Let me just go in the folder. Um, there.
Thank you.
Background.
Okay, so during that time, just continue to reset your variables. So there was a speed, and you have to reset the position of the cannon and the enemies. So like we put the cannon where it was at the beginning,
Uh,
and also replace the enemies with the random function, I think.
Delta X and the other one should stay the same, right?
Uh,
Since it's the mouse.
yeah, it's the mouse, so it won't matter because the instant the game will restart, it will
Oh
calculate
yeah,
the new.
shooting should be set back to false.
Yeah.
Or instead, I could do this. Does this work?
No,
Like,
it doesn't work because this expression worked the opposite of shooting. When you,
okay.
but it doesn't save the new value inside of shooting. You have to type equals to the new value that you want it to be.
Mm-hmm.
It's better
Angle.
equals for angle and speed. And the part after line 61.
After?
Yeah, like line 68 and 69, to replace the enemies where they were.
Oh,
Like,
I copy this.
yeah, I would copy this because it just replaced enemies at random. The
All
three,
three of them.
yeah, all three of them.
Copy. Is there what? Is there a simpler way to do all this?
Uh, like all your program or to restart.
Yeah, to Like since I did this way, would there have been like a? You said like something of start
Oh yeah,
before.
a start function, a
Yeah.
starting function. In fact, currently
Whoops.
we are
What happened?
currently creating the start game function. I mean, the restart function is the same thing as start game function. So there's no better way to do that. It's the best way, I think.
Where's the random?
What is that? Oh, I think I know why your little cross was at the top right. Yeah, that was because you rotate you have rotated your symbol before, so that's why. Anyway.
Where's random? Find random.
Oh, I think you cut it
Uh,
and it doesn't also, yeah, no, so it was like at line 68, yeah,
yeah,
right there.
here. It wasn't there before. Like, what the heck? So false. Or just do this.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, so now everything is reset. I think what we need
Yeah.
to do is to remove the game over object.
Over here.
So place it outside of the screen, like
All
at
this.
no, I mean in that function you place the game over object instance at stage X, stage Y, but now we want to remove the game over object, so maybe type like game over dot x equals minus 1000, so we won't see it anymore. In Y it's useless because I think at minus 1000 x we won't see it, but
True.
okay, and finally, we have two things to do. Just go in the function just before the function that yeah, right there. This function. No, this if. Okay, so we have to remove the add event listener that was checking if we were clicking on game over. So
So
line
this
this.
one.
Yeah, but we have to copy it
So
and change it for
and
remove.
do remove
Yeah,
event listener.
exactly.
Okay.
Be, because the add event listener was to check if we are clicking on game over, but now we are removing game over, so we also want to remove the fact that we are checking if we are clicking on game over. And we have to do the same thing for the run function and the click function, the shoot function. We have to,
So we have to restart it.
yeah, those two at on line 266. Yeah, we have to restart them. So restart.
So add.
Yeah, and I think that now everything would be okay.
Whoops. Okay.
So you
So
can test that.
uh uh what? Oh yeah, that's the other problem. What if the blue targets appears right where I am?
Okay, yeah. We could do a while function. Uh, yeah, okay. Okay, we'll do a while function. Just go at the top of your program.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, a while loop is a loop that permits you to that will execute as long as a condition is respected.
So for example, while cannon is touching
Exactly that.
this add score.
Yeah, but we will do that on line 68.
Okay.
Okay. What you will type is just before line 68, you will type do,
Do.
open curly bracket,
Uh-huh.
and then close it right after lines 72.
72 where
Yeah,
enemy after enemy X and enemy
yeah,
Y.
exactly. So you close that, and then you will type while,
After the curly bracket.
yeah, while open parenthesis, and then you will do a test object between the enemy one and the cannon, as you did
Yes.
elsewhere.
Whoops.
I
Enemy one dot hit test object with with the what?
with the cannon.
The body.
Yeah, but we will have to turn the body because that was the problem. So what that code do is it will going to execute the line 70 and 71 for first time, and then it will check if enemy one touch the cannon body, then it will execute the code between the two curly brackets. So it will execute as long as it touches the cannon, and when it won't touch it anymore, it will go out go out of the loop and then continue.
Okay.
So you would have to do that for three of them, and then copy that into your restart function.
Wow. Paste. Oh wait, we don't have to do it with anyone, I think. This
What?
is to this what does this do again?
Okay, this will check if anyone touches the cannon, the body of the cannon, and if it touches it, it will replace randomly anyone. So it will replace randomly anyone as long as it touches the cannon body. So it will stop when they don't
But
touch
why
it.
do we have to do that?
Because you told me that sometimes you were starting your program and both the cannon and one enemy were touching each other.
Uh-huh. So this won't like make it game over, right? Since it's before, I think.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Because at that point, okay, your collision detection happens at each frame. At the
Uh-huh.
beginning of your program, it will read those lines, and after it will start the run function that will execute at each frame and will check the collision. So all that happens before anything else.
Okay.
And all those lines, so lines 67 to line 90, you should copy.
But
Yeah,
what if it randomly changes the position, but it goes back on the cannon
like
again?
again,
Yeah.
because it's a while. It was okay. So just read it this way. You will start on line 40 40 84 84. Sorry, 84. So okay, so do so it's doing the code. So it's place randomly enemy three, and if so after that it's like an if, while it's like an if. So it says if enemy tree touches the body cannon,
Do
then
this.
do this again, and then again if enemy tree touches the body cannon, do this again until they don't touch, and then it will go out of the loop. In fact, it can be dangerous because if your objects are too big and and they always touches, your program will never stop and your computer will crash.